everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, and today I am disappointed to bring you this video. So the video today is about my Stihl electric chainsaw. Let's see, what is the model number on that? It's an MSA 160C, decent sized little saw. I have absolutely loved having this thing. Keep it in the truck, in the gator here, whatever. Just when you need to make a couple of cuts, and I've done some bigger cuts with it as well. And I've used it for building projects, cutting 6x6s and whatever else. It is so handy just to pick it up, make your cut. You're not starting it, pulling the cord all the time. It's been a great saw up until recently. So I've been having issues with the saw, and let me see if I can show you what it's been doing. All right, so we got to push the button and squeeze the trigger. See how it's stopping? It worked once, like it was supposed to. Oh, worked twice. Once in a while it does that. I'm currently squeezing the trigger. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm holding the triggers all the way down. And it keeps stopping. See, that's what it's supposed to do. But that's what it keeps doing. Now, the battery's good. It's fully charged. You can see that there. It's not a battery issue. I made sure, everything's cleaned out here. You can see the chain moves freely. There's nothing there stopping it from moving. I don't know what the problem is, and being that it's an electric saw, obviously, there's an electric motor there. And, I guess it's going to have to be taken apart. So, I think this is still under warranty. I don't remember when I bought it or what the warranty was on it. So I'm going to take this saw to my dealer. And when I get it back, we'll finish this video, and I will tell you all about what the repair was, if I had to pay for it, and what's going on with the saw. All right, everybody, welcome back. It's been a while since the first clips of this video. I'm not sure how long, and I'll apologize right now if the audio on this video isn't good. It is pouring rain outside. It's quieted down a little bit right now, but it gets pretty loud in the shop sometimes when it's pouring. So what I'd like to do, though, is go ahead, since I'm in here, and finish the video that I started about the electric chainsaw repair. So let me show you what has happened here. So here's the repair. I got a little light here to shine some light on there. So basically, what they did, they determined that there are magnets in the electric motor of the saw, and they had separated, I believe is what he told me. So the fix for that was to basically give me a new saw. So they gave me a brand new saw. Now, to be clear, every piece of this is not brand new. So the bar, the chain, the cover, and this side cover came off of my original saw, and believe the rest of the saw is all new. You can kind of see here the reason I brought the light over. I've been using this saw since I got it back. It's been out in the toolbox of the truck. If you can see some white there, I've been cutting some Schedule 40 pipe with it. But I don't know if you can see here, there's a difference in the color here with the plastic. You can see this is all shined up here, and that's more dull. But anyway, so that was the repair that they did. I got a brand new saw out of it. And so one of the questions I had was, well, what are you doing with the old saw? And he didn't really have a straight answer for me. I was just kind of curious. And I don't mean to put anybody on the spot, but some of these new electric tools are a little bit of a question mark to me. Don't get me wrong, I love the saw. So much so that I bought something else, so stay tuned for a future video for that. However, it is a bit of a question mark because you know, what happens to the rest of the old saw? He didn't say 100% that it was going to get, you know, recycled and reused for something or whatever. Not that they'll throw it in a landfill, but what I mean by that is, you know, it wasn't really repairable. It was cheaper to just hand out a new saw than it was to repair the old one. So that to me is still a bit of a question mark with some of the electric stuff. You know, the repair and replacement of it, is it as efficient as being able to, you know, fix a gas-powered whatever it may be, you know. But again, I do love the saw, and the reason I bought it was just for those instances. Like I said, ever since I got the saw back, it's been in the truck because I've had it. We've trimmed branches with it. I cut Schedule 40 pipe with it. I've done 100 little jobs with it since I've gotten this new piece back. And I love the fact that other than having to put some bar oil in it and, you know, the battery, making sure the battery's charged, I don't have to deal with gas. I don't have to worry about ethanol crap in the gas. It doesn't smell up the truck. It's just a nice little saw all around for the purpose that I bought it for. If you're curious about battery life, using it as I do intermittently, you know, for the chores that I just mentioned, I mean, the battery will last for 3-4 weeks easy on the saw, unless I get into something, you know, actually cutting something substantial. But that's not what I bought the saw for. I have a lot of gas-powered saws for that. But overall, again, I love the saw. I was just a little bit shocked by what the actual repair was on it. But I'm happy, you know, that they stood behind it and it was repaired quickly because they had another one and all they had to do was switch a couple parts. So fantastic. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with this one, how long it lasts, or if we have the same issue. That was another question I did ask was, is this a common problem? And he said no. So, you know, the guys that I deal with, that I buy all my Stihl equipment from, I've been buying stuff from them for, I don't know, geez, 15 plus years now, probably close to 20 years now I've been buying stuff. Yeah, because I'm older than, let's not talk about that. So it's been 20 years I've been buying stuff from these guys. They've been in business. Nice, small, family-owned business. Great people to deal with. So they're not the type of people that are going to tell me some kind of fib and shove me out the door. You know, I believe them when they say that this was not a common issue. So that's the repair on the saw. Tell me in the comments section down below, guys, what do you think about that? I thought it was pretty cool, but again, still a little bit wary, but we'll see what happens. So thanks everybody for watching this video. If you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I post another video about the other thing that I bought while I was there. I can't be trusted in these power tool stores. So anyway, thanks for watching. Questions, comments down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, bell icon. Hey, I hope to see y'all in the next video.